Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm here looking at an Alliance, and it's a Valor, and let's go see what's going on with Zach. So Zach, what happened? Did he hit the jack? Is that what happened to this thing?
I'm assuming so. I'm not sure, to be honest with you.
Okay, but you're having to make a new bracket?
Yeah, so he's got his old bracket on there.
Oh wow.
And
Okay,
I cut most of it off anyways.
So you're fabricating some extra braces on a new bracket to put up in there?
Yeah, so the old one had the lining on the inside, so I'm mimicking that. I'm just making sure all my cuts and everything line up where I need them to be.
Oh, and there's the old bracket where you took off? Yeah, so he smacked it. Yep. Oh yeah, you can see how it's bent. So did the jacket damage too, obviously, or?
Yeah, so I got this, but it also took the jack and everything off. I got it just to do all the metal work. So.
Okay. Did it damage or fracture the frame at all or anything?
No, not that I see. Like I said, they have these runners that run up where the jacks are
okay.
to help strengthen everything, which is a good, you know, help strengthen it. So I'm going to grind all this flat, and I'm going to talk to Samadith about moving the jack over, because they obviously welded this kind of prior to building it, because there's welds on the inside where you can't
penetrate, right?
You can't weld it when it's on the trailer.
Yeah.
So they did it when it was just I-beams.
Okay.
So I'm going to see about, talking to Sam.
Look at all the propane lines that are right here.
I tucked them out.
Oh, okay. I was thinking, geez, that's unsafe.
Yeah, but it's also disconnected, but I tucked them so I could plasma cut and weld.
Yeah.
So.
And then this is nice too. So if you guys haven't seen a triple axle, this is a triple axle, and it's actually got a Roadmaster kit on the whole triple axle. Oh, good. Somebody did a marker on it. It wasn't us that installed this one, but this one looks like it's all-wheel disc and then got the Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit. So if you guys haven't checked out that video or those other videos that we have on Roadmaster, I'd highly recommend that you do so. Also looks like that the gentleman that owns this lost his screen and came up with a creative idea to make his own, which is fine. We can get you a new screen or door if you end up watching this video before or after. But anyways, I just want to do a quick video on this unit just to kind of show you again what's in the shop. So it's not really nothing too much educational, but we come across all kinds of crazy stuff that we do. And this was just an Alliance that's in here. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. If you haven't joined our Alliance group, it's Alliance RV Owners Maintenance and Repair in the RV Shop with Dustin. So recommend that you do that. Join that group. We try to post pictures of not just Alliances, but anything that's going on out here in the yard, that we're working on, to show you kind of like what they're in here for, what we're doing on it, repairs that we're making and whatnot. And then just like, hey everybody, this is Zach and what he does here and all that kind of fun stuff. So all right, well, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.